Physics 12s, this is Miss Moore with our guest star, Miss Deacon. To visualize vectors in 3 dimensions, I have built you this little 3-dimensional coordinate plane. This is your y-axis and your x-axis, and this is your z-axis, your up-down axis. So you can see that we have all of our conventional directions, north, east, south, and west, on the horizontal plane in 2D, and up and down are the vertical plane now in the z direction. So say, for example, you are doing a problem where the charged particle was entering a magnetic field with a velocity directed east. You would align your thumb with the direction of the charged particle. Let's just say it's a proton, since I'm using my right hand right now. And say the magnetic field was directed down. Align my fingers straight down in the downward direction. The resulting magnetic force experienced by the particle is, in what direction is my palm pushing? North. Say we had an electron, and now I'm going to use my left hand, and it's traveling into a magnetic field moving east. Say the magnetic field is directed down. I'm aligning my fingers in the direction of the permanent magnetic field, which is down. The force it experiences will be south. That's the direction my palm is pushing.